In this quick and simple video, I'll show you how to download a video from Facebook on both iPhone and Android. Whether it's a funny video, an inspiring clip, or a useful tutorial, I'll show you how to save it to your device so you can watch it later. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. Now find the video you want to download and open it. Once the video is playing, look for the share button. Tap on it, and you'll see several different sharing options. From this menu, select Copy Link. This will copy the link to the Facebook video to your clipboard. Now exit Facebook and open the web browser on your phone. You can use Safari on iPhone or Google Chrome on Android. In the browser, search for a reputable Facebook video downloader. Be careful with download sites that show suspicious pop-ups or ask you to install unknown apps. Once you've opened the downloader, you'll usually see a box where you can paste the Facebook video link. Tap inside the box and paste the link you copied from Facebook. Now look for the download button and tap on it. Depending on the website and the video, you may see different download quality options. If an HD option is available and you need better quality, you can select it. The video should then begin downloading. On iPhone, you may find the downloaded file in the Files app, usually inside the Downloads folder. From there, you can open the video and save it to your Photos app if the option is available. On Android, the downloaded video will usually appear in your Downloads folder or your device's Gallery or Photos app. One important thing to remember is that you should only download and save Facebook videos that you have permission to use, especially if you plan to repost or use them publicly. And that's it. That's how you can download a Facebook video on your iPhone or Android device and save it for offline viewing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.